Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And it is ugly out there. If you've been looking at your portfolio, I've been checking mine. I'm not checking mine as much. I haven't made any deposits recently or any purchases on the portfolio. Kind of waiting things out. I don't think it's a bad time to keep some extra money aside just in case, or seeing any good deals to pick up. Now, the market is, if you've been following along this channel and you've been following along other YouTubers or just reading the news, it is not the greatest out there. We're definitely in a bear market now. Good time to dollar cost average, I think, in any of your stock positions. Not financial advice, obviously, but that's what seems to be what a lot of people are doing. And that's what I'm doing. Keeping some money aside. I'm not going to jump. I don't think you need to jump into anything to FOMO, fear of missing out. I think we're going to be in for a while for some lower prices on a lot of these stocks. So you can definitely take your time to dollar cost average and build your positions. Now, a couple of positions people keep asking what I'm going to be adding to. I do want to add to a lot of my dividend stocks just to build those up over the next little bit. Happy with the portfolio. Let's jump in. We'll just show you how the portfolio is doing in general. I think a lot of my portfolio is down. I think a lot of people watching's portfolio is down. But again, not panicking. We kind of knew this was coming. The big thing is going to be how long this is going to last for, but we'll see. Again, my portfolio is a long-term investment, so looking at least 5 to 10 years to build this up. So not too worried how things are panning out. It seems to be so far okay. Let's just show you how the portfolio is doing and jump in there. All right, here we are in the TFSA trade portfolio. The app has been updated, which is nice. I really do like the new app. I made some comments before that I didn't really like the old one, but they seem to have kind of improved it and tweaked it a little bit more. I definitely like it now. TFSA is down today. As you can see, we've been in the red for a while now. Not too worried. We'll go through the markets. Just don't seem to know what they want to do. This is basically, I think, kind of what's happening out there. But let's just go through for the day. We're down a little bit today. The day is okay. But as you can see in the week, we're actually doing okay this week. We're up a little bit, 0.41% on the whole portfolio. In the month, though, you can see 10.69%. We're down. We're down $1,055.56. So not great. But again, not panicking. Past 3 months, though, we're down 19.37% on the portfolio. 2,100. It's going to move because the markets are open. $2,118.74. So on the year, we're down 18.64%, almost 19%. If we go to all time, though, we're down 17.82%. That seems like a big number. It is a big number. It's almost $2,000 is gone. But I had a few questions on my community tab. And one of them was, what are kind of your stock losers? And it's kind of, you look at your portfolio and you think, oh, they all are right now. But that being said, I haven't sold anything. Now, I haven't sold anything on the portfolio for a loss. I had some Cineplex stock earlier in the year, and I did sell that, make a bit of money. One thing I think I need to learn how to do a little bit, obviously not want to be trading daily in your TFSA, but I think take some profits along the way if I can see that opportunity. I think that's what I'm going to work on this year coming forward. We'll see how that definitely pans out. But there's some losers in the portfolio, obviously, but they haven't been sold yet, so I'm not too worried that we are down. I think the positions that I do have, I'm kind of happy about, other than a couple of those small caps, but those are just kind of happy gambling mistakes that we learn along the way. So that was just a quick update, everybody. Obviously, I haven't added any positions to the portfolio, so if you want to see what I actually hold in my portfolio, you can check out one of my other videos. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's always appreciated. As I always like to say, subscribing is free. It'd be great to have you join along. We've actually almost got 1,000 people, subscribers, so I really appreciate everybody that is following along. The goal of the channel was to get to 1,000 subscribers, so we're almost there. The portfolio is going down, but the subscribers are going up, so there's some joy in a little bit of something. But I do appreciate everybody that follows along and all your comments. I am working on a question and answer video. I will have that posted shortly. Got a lot of questions on my community tab. If you have a certain question about my portfolio or really anything about me and the channel, I'd be happy to try and answer that for you. Go head over to my community tab. You can leave a comment there. I'll be working those all into a Q&A video, which we'll post very shortly. So thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching. Hopefully your portfolio is doing okay. I will be making a deposit closer to the end of the month. Have to kind of wait for paydays is kind of the one thing, but we'll be slowly dollar cost averaging into a lot of positions. And my positions, I'm kind of happy with where they are and in terms of the percentages of the portfolio. So I will just be slowly adding to them as I can to try and build them up. And as you know, the goal of the channel or of my portfolio is to grow from $0 all the way to $100,000 in my TFSA. So no time limit on that, but we're slowly and surely getting there. Hopefully better days are ahead. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.